Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Power series convergence problems look intimidating, but we can solve this one super quickly by following 3 simple steps. Watch this to master the ratio test. First, we identify the general term of our power series. This term represents the nth component of the sum, which we will use to evaluate the limit in our ratio test. Next, we apply the ratio test. We look at the absolute value of the ratio of consecutive terms. As n approaches infinity, the factorial in the denominator dominates the entire expression. Finally, we evaluate the limit. Since the denominator grows without bound, the limit is 0 for any x. This means the series converges everywhere, so the radius is infinite. Got it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore factorials or assume finite results. Always use the ratio test and check limits.